Hi there, my name is Stephanie. I'm here to guide you through an introduction to belt scales. These interactive e-learning modules have the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and the control buttons on the bottom of the screen to also help you navigate. Let's get started. From the simple balanced scales of years ago to the sophisticated weighing systems Siemens brings to the market today, there is no doubt that we are a weight-obsessed world. Siemens provides solutions by offering the most comprehensive product range, and it is the only process instrumentation company to include weighing in its portfolio. Our weighing family includes conveyor belt scales, weight feeders, solids flow meters, integrators, speed sensors, PLC modules, and our field-proven load cells. In this module, we focus on our belt scales. The fundamental concept of belt scale technology is to measure material without interruption or disruption to the flow. I've asked Henry to break down some belt scale basics for us, but I'll be back in a bit.
Thank you, Stephanie. Hi, my name is Henry, and I'm here to talk to you about belt scale systems. A belt scale system monitors the flow of material and calculates the amount of product produced per unit of time. There are many advantages to continuous belt weighing. The process is not disturbed. Neither the material characteristics nor the time to process the material are affected. Storage and containment problems are avoided. Capital expenditure is minimal, and maintenance costs are low. The three essential components of a belt scale system are the belt scale, the speed sensor, and the integrator. So let's look at how these three components fit together to make up a belt scale system. First, the belt scale is located here, under an idler and the conveyor belt that carries the material load. When the load crosses the idler, the weight creates a deflection in the belt scale load cells. Second is the speed sensor. It provides a signal proportional to belt speed, and the overall system accuracy depends on a consistent speed signal. And third, the load cell and the speed sensor signals are sent to the integrator, which calculates the information and puts out rate, total, load, speed, analog output, and remote total output.
So those are the basics. Now let's look at each of the three components of the belt scale system in more detail. We'll start by getting Henry to tell us more about belt scales.
Our belt scale family includes scales varying in cost and performance. Each has its purpose, based on the specific engineering requirements of an application. Now today, we're going to focus in on one belt scale in particular, the top choice for the majority of applications in most industries. This is the Miltronics Single Idler Scale, also known as the MSI. It is the shining star of Siemens dynamic weighing. Its unique design, rugged compatibilities, ease of use, and dependable performance has placed it at the top of the weighing line since 1984, when it was first designed. A lot of belt scales on the market have multiple points that require maintenance, as well as having horizontal areas where material builds up, which affects accuracy. Not the MSI. It has none of these points. Plus, it's designed with minimal opportunities for buildup. Altogether, that equals low maintenance. Using two or more MSI belt scales in tandem creates the Miltronics multi-idler system, providing the advantages of the MSI and the benefits of additional weighing idlers. The MSIs together make for a system which is far better than the common industry multi-idler system that is one big rigid piece. The installation of these rigid systems often requires the use of cranes or other high-cost resources. Here the MSI performs in the field. Here the Milltronics multi-idler, or MMI, performs in the field. The heart of all weighing systems is the load cells. In MSI belt scales, the weight is applied directly on the load cells so that the reaction time is instantaneous, providing unparalleled accuracy. Our load cells have triple beam parallelogram construction and do not react to horizontal forces. They are corrosion resistant, have dual protection with an inner block, and have an outer cover which allows them to perform under harsh conditions. They also have an integrated overload stop that never needs to be adjusted. Then there is the 150% linear output and the built-in 300% overload capacity. When it comes to scales, high accuracy is at the forefront, and our Siemens scales do not disappoint. Use the MSI for 0.5% accuracy or better, the MMI2 for 0.25%, and the MMI3 for accuracy up to 0.125%. Most belt scales need to be running at full scale in order to give this kind of accuracy. Let's face it, it's not possible for all applications to run at full scale all the time, so why sacrifice accuracy? Our belt scales give you this accuracy from 100% all the way down to 20%. You can't have accuracy without repeatability. Results that are inconsistent can cost time and money. Repeatability means the same results every time. Results that you can count on. Accuracy is crucial, but repeatability is also important to trade, as it provides confidence in the measurement. With Siemens belt scales, you get high accuracy and repeatability. All of these features ensure the MSI and the MMI have an extremely low cost of ownership, allowing the customer to keep more money in hand.
Now that we've learned about belt scales, let's get Henry to tell us more about the speed sensor component of the belt scale system.
Here is our speed sensor family, all of them top performers. And for today, we're going to focus on the Sitrans WS300. The Sitrans WS300 is suitable for low, high, or varying shaft speeds. It is bidirectional for clockwise or anti-clockwise shaft rotation, and its small size allows it to be installed in applications that are tight on space. These features, combined with its low purchase price, make it the speed sensor of choice. The speed sensor is just as crucial as the belt scale for accurate and repeatable results.
There's one more component for Henry to tell us about, the brains of the belt scale system, the integrator.
Meet the integrator family. Each has been tried, tested, and proven in the field with a multitude of applications. Now we're going to focus on the king of the integrators, the Milltronics BW500. The Milltronics BW500 performs sophisticated measurement and flow control functions such as these: differential speed detection and batching, incline and moisture inputs, online calibration, multiple feed conditions and/or material, and 5 programmable multifunction alarm relays. The BW500 is where it all comes together, providing the exact results required from a belt scale system. Siemens offers a full range of belt scale accessories that make installation, control, and calibration easy. These include chart recorders, printers, remote totalizers, inclinometers, test chains, and reels for dynamic calibration. And then there's the NWL, the weightlifter for static calibration. It allows the operator to stay away from the conveyor belt, eliminating safety concerns. Not only are our belt scales easy to install, but we also provide an application guide, as well as expert technical support to make it even easier. As with any instrumentation, proper installation is the key for top performance. Our accuracy, repeatability, and ability to operate in harsh environments is confirmed by our meeting or even exceeding the following certifications. In general purpose, it's CTIC, CE, KCC, GOST-R, and RTN. We have USDA and FDA options for food approvals. In hazardous, we have CSA, FM, ATEX, IECX, and GOST-RX. And in trade, we have Measurement Canada, NTEP, MID and OIML, CMC, SABS, and GOST-M. As you can see, Siemens is certified excellence. And now, I'll hand you back to Stephanie. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, Henry. After learning how Mettronix belt scales from Siemens combine simple drop-in installation, low maintenance, and repeatable accuracy, it's no surprise that there are tens of thousands installed in applications worldwide. We also have many case studies where our belt scale systems have excelled at providing a top-performing solution to a variety of challenging applications. To read these full stories and more, check out the Attachments tab. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel, Think Siemens, where we have a weighing playlist featuring many helpful videos on our belt scale systems. For more e-learning modules like these, please visit siemens.com/pi-e-learning and click on Interactive Modules. You can also visit our website to learn more about our entire weighing portfolio at siemens.com/weighing. Plus, you can download the attached weighing and feeding guide for more information. At Siemens, we have the right technology for the right application. And if any of our e-learning modules pique your curiosity and you would like to learn more, then we invite you to come visit one of our training centers at any of these locations. Our in-depth courses include hands-on training from application specialists. You'll get to play with actual PI instruments and learn about them in more detail. For both introductory and advanced training, go to siemens.com/pi-training and register now. Ready to learn more? Check out the following Siemens books, and keep your eyes peeled for our newest, soon-to-be-released book on weighing. Available on Click for Business or through your local Siemens distributor. This e-learning module is not only viewable on your computer, but on your mobile devices too. All major mobile devices are supported, including Apple, Android, BlackBerry, and more. BrainShark even offers an app for Apple users and an app for Android users for a more interactive mobile presentation. So get mobile! Thanks for stopping by and learning more about the fundamentals of our belt scale systems. See you soon!